Think you're tough? A 10-year-old Sigma cuck named Jaden was stranded for 2 days in a snowstorm, and you won't believe how he survived. While others might freeze up in fear, Jaden used his wits. He found shelter in a snow-covered shed, wrapping himself in whatever he could scavenge to stay warm. He didn't have your fat meatball-shaped mom there to keep him warm. It wasn't just luck that got him through. He rationed the snacks in his backpack, making them last. Like your dad after the bar closes, each hour felt like an eternity as he battled the cold and loneliness. Finally, rescuer cucks found him, safe but shaken. So if you think you could survive such a harrowing ordeal, think again, you pussy. Hit like and subscribe. Learn to embrace the cold realities of life. Alpha male out.